With these stunning 10th floor views overlooking Kempenfelt Bay
and sunny southern exposure,
and an oversized one bedroom and den,
looks like your condo search just ended, because we got all that and a whole lot more on today's episode. All right, Steve, here we are back down at Waterview Condominiums yet again. Now, you sold this development from the ground up over 20 years ago. Clearly, you loved the project then. What are some of the elements you like about it now?
Absolutely, Scotty. Well, the best thing of all, you know a building is absolutely incredible when it's 2 decades later and it's still one of your absolute faves. Great design, great features and finishes was the beginning of the open concept design. Now, today we've got a gorgeous 1-bedroom and den, just under 1,100 square foot suites, and it's still one of my favorites today. But better than that is there is an incredible amenities list you're just gonna love.
That's right. Let's dive a little deeper into the amenities list, because these are extensions of your living space and condo living, so you cannot overlook this aspect of it. Of course, we're right here in the incredible in-ground heated pool. You've got the saunas in each change room. You've got the whirlpool, and that's just scratching the surface. We've got 2 guest suites for your overnight family to come and stay right here in the building. That's incredibly reasonable. You've got everything from libraries to fitness facilities, all overlooking the water. You've got a 3rd floor roof deck, not to mention some incredible party rooms and games rooms. The list goes on, and there's something for absolutely everybody. But for now, let's head upstairs and check out this incredible suite.
Welcome to Suite 1006 in the gorgeous Waterview Condominiums. Now, this Southport model boasts just under 1,100 square feet, open concept and design, and features 9-foot ceilings throughout. But the true unique feature is that it's the largest 1-bedroom and den in this entire building, and this living dining room space boasts beautiful views over Kempenfelt Bay.
And the spaciousness does not stop in the living room dining room combination, because this kitchen is to die for if you are the chef of the home. You can just picture yourself cooking up a beautiful meal, tremendous amount of counter space to work with, but the best part is it's all wide open to that living dining room area, so you're easily conversing with all your friends and family as you do it. But just in behind this kitchen is where we get into the versatility of this suite. We have a huge den space here that works beautifully for maybe a formal dining room, a 2nd bedroom, or even that home office that you've been looking for. This is the ideal space to do it, as you're directly across from the 2-piece bathroom, not to mention in-suite laundry. This suite truly has it all.
Now, you would expect a primary suite of this size to be in a large family home, but no, we've got an oversized window here with a view to the lake, as well as 2 double mirrored closets and a full ensuite, including corner jet tub and glass shower. Now, Scotty, this southern exposure here, these open glass railings, sunrises, sunsets, I'm telling you, it does not get much better than this.
Simply the best location you're gonna find along our waterfront. These views are spectacular. Of course, it's all about the water, but let me tell you, overlooking the city is truly spectacular as well, especially in the evenings. It's some views that you just don't expect that really blow you away. But let's drive into this location a little bit more with this condo building. You're a 5-minute walk into downtown Barrie, all the incredible dining and shopping that comes along with that. And then, of course, you got the marina across the road. You could see your boat from here if you're a boater out there. That's about as cool as it gets. And then after that, it's Centennial Beach into Barrie's South Shore. It just keeps getting better and better.
That's right, Scotty. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know waterfront condos. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.